Hello everyone, welcome back to another Profit Squirrel vlog. I am Chris Hale, and today what I'm going to do is just do a really quick video on how to withdraw your funds from a bookmaker. It sounds like something that's quite simple, but actually you'd be surprised how many people ask us how they can do this when they get started with Profit Squirrel. They've done a couple of the free bets, they've worked it out, they know that they've made a profit, and they're not quite sure how to take that profit, put it back into their bank account in order to spend it, or maybe use it again to complete more offers, use it in their exchange account. So that's what I wanted to do in this video, was just go through a few of the most common bookmakers, the ones that you're likely to encounter when you're first starting out with match betting, and just show you exactly what you need to do to withdraw your funds from those bookmakers. Let's get started. So the first one I've got up here is Ladbrokes. I'm going to show you on Ladbrokes, Coral, William Hill and 888. The reason I chose to show you on these accounts is because these are the ones that you're going to probably encounter first of all on your Profit Squirrel journey. Once you understand how to withdraw funds from these bookmaker accounts, the others will be really easy for you. It won't be a problem for you once you've done the steps a few times. So Ladbrokes, here we are. I'm logged into Ladbrokes. You can be on any of the tabs, and you basically will click this drop down here next to your username. This is my username, it's just starred out for the moment. And you click My Account. That'll bring up this little pop-up window here. And you're going into the banking tab, and then you're going to hit this tab here, Withdrawal. And it lets you withdraw straight back to your card. This is something else here, a PaySafe card. That's just a different type of debit card you can get. And Ladbrokes actually allow you to do cash as well. You can go into a Ladbrokes shop and you can take it out in cash if you want to, which is a nice feature some of the larger bookmakers offer. With Coral, I don't actually have any balance on this account because I don't really use this bookmaker very much anymore, but it's pretty similar. You're logged in, and then on the right hand side you have your balance, you have your quick deposit option, and you have your account, or My Account as it's called. Just click My Account, and that will bring up a menu of options here, and it will be this third one down with a little wallet symbol. Just click Withdraw, and it will give you an option to withdraw back to the payment method of your choice. That at the moment is the only option that Coral offer, but it's pretty easy. It just goes straight back into your bank account. Takes about 3 days to do so. William Hill, another bookmaker that you will use quite often as you go on. To withdraw your funds, once you're logged in, click on the balance here of the account and scroll down to withdraw, and that will pop up the options on the screen for you. The same as with Coral, it takes about 3 days to get back into your bank account. For 888 Sport, it's pretty easy. You just go ahead and you click the balance amount here, where for me it says £0, because again, this is an account I don't really use very much. And once that has loaded up, you'll see the payment screen here, and then you can go ahead and hit the withdrawal tab on the left here, and then you'll be able to select your withdrawal amount and the different methods that they offer. They have a wire transfer, you can send it back to a card. There's a few different ways that you can do it with them. A few bookmakers also allow you to withdraw into other payment methods, things like a Squirrel account. I've covered those in other videos. They might be something that you want to look into. There's a lot of ways that you can withdraw funds, but I would remind you to deposit with a debit card if you're trying to qualify for a certain offer, because most bookmakers have that in their terms and conditions that you need to deposit with a debit card. You can't use PayPal, you can't use Squirrel. PayPal is another one that you can often withdraw your funds into as well, depending on what the various bookmakers offer. As you go on in your journey, you'll obviously encounter different bookmakers, but they all have pretty much the same setup. And as I say, they'll be in the balance area or in the My Account section. That's the area that you'll need to go to withdraw your funds. And if you can't find it, hit up the bookmaker support or the live chat, and they should have no problems pointing you in the right direction. So there we have it. As I said at the start, this is a bit of a simpler video, but then again, if you don't know how to do something, it's not that simple. So I hope this has been helpful to those of you that are just starting out on your match betting journey. Thanks so much for watching. Drop me a comment below if this has been helpful for you, or if you have any questions on it at all. And make sure you hit that subscribe button below the video to make sure that you never miss out on any of the latest tips and tricks from Profit Squirrel. We're going to be going over beginner concepts like this, more intermediate stuff, and more advanced stuff as time goes on. So whatever level you're at with match betting, this is the place to hear about the latest things first. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon in another video.